Hi friends, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to show you how to install APK file in Samsung Galaxy device. First of all, we have to install our APK file. Before installing APK file, go to your phone settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Now tap on this menu icon and tap on special access. Here tap on install unknown apps. And now, for example, I want to download APK files from my Google Chrome browser. So here's I'm enabling Google Chrome. If you want to download APK app from Galaxy Store, then you have to enable the app from here. Now I'm going to opening my Google Chrome browser and let's search for APK download. And here you will find a bunch of popular websites where you can get any kind of APK file. Let's open this website apkpo.com. This is very popular. So once you are in this website, all you have to need tap on this search icon. And now we have to search for the specific app APK file that we want to install. Let's search for emo, and here as a search result you will find APK files. Just go ahead and download the specific APK app file. Tap on download APK. Once more time tap on download APK. Close the ad. And if you see this warning, just tap on download anyway. And here we can see my emo app APK file is downloading. Once you successfully downloaded the APK file, now it's time to install the APK. So all you have to need, open your My Files app, go to downloads folder, and here you'll find the APK file. Now just open the APK file and tap on install, and it may take some moments to install the APK app in your device. Once installed, you can open the file, and here we can see the emo app has been successfully installed. So that's how you can actually download and install APK app in our phone. Thanks for watching.